Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to factor 10x squared plus 33 minus 7. Okay, so there's several different ways that we can do this. Sometimes you get lucky, get it on the first time. There's a guess check method, which could take 5 minutes or could take an hour, okay? So I've developed this over the years, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to multiply 10 times negative 7, and we're going to come up with negative 70. Now we've got to figure out what two numbers multiplied together give you negative 70, okay? So it doesn't matter about the positive and negatives right now. We're going to work on that later, and I'll show you. So we know 1 times negative 70, 2 times negative 35, 3 won't go, 4 won't go, 5 will go, negative 14, 6 won't go, 7, negative 10, 8 won't go, 9 won't go, and 10 will go. Okay, so what we've got to figure out here, or try to figure out, what two numbers combined give you the middle number? Okay, well, we know that these two, a combination of these right here two will give you, this right here combination will give you negative 33x, but we need a positive, and all we got to do is flip those signs, and we can do that. So what you got here is 10x squared plus 35x minus 2x minus 7. Okay? Alright, so we're going to factor these two, and then we're going to factor these two. Okay? So the greatest common factor of 10 and 35 is 5. Take a 5x out of both of them. You've got 2x, 5 times 2x gives you 10, these two. Okay, bring your sign down the middle, plus 7. Okay? Okay? Alright, close that off, and we want to bring your sign down, which is negative. Okay? Now, we're going to we've got to find the greatest common factor of 2x and 7. Well, the greatest common factor is 1. Okay, so 1. Okay. 1 times 2x gives you negative 1 times 2x gives you negative 2x. Negative 1 times 7 gives you negative 7. Okay, so those two are the ones that are factored out. Okay, all right. Now, what you're going to do? You see how you got this 2x plus 7 and 2x plus 7? That's going to be a common factor. Okay, so we're going to take the first two. 5x minus 1 times 2x plus 7. Okay? Alright, so that's going to be your two factors. Okay? And there's a way that you can check it. All you got to do when you FOIL that back out, you will get this up here, and we can do that. So it's a FOIL. So 5x, first is 5x times 2x, plus, so first outer, 5x times 7, plus inner, negative 1 times 2x, plus negative 1 times 7. Okay? Alright, so negative 5x times 2x is 10x squared plus 5x plus 7 is 35x plus negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x plus negative 1 times 7 is negative 7. Okay. Alright, so we got parentheses here, so we got to kind of get those out. So 10x squared plus 35x. Positive times a negative is negative 2x. And you see this is going to correlate with what we've got right there. That's good. Positive times a negative is negative 7. 10x, we're going to combine a lot of terms. 10x squared. We can combine these two. Plus 33x, 35 minus 2, and then minus 7. So all that kind of ties back in with their original question up there. And so there we've got that one factored out.